Now, once the rough cut has been made on the bandsaw, you're left with a lot of irregularities and high spots. And I've found that the best way to remove these is with this Spokeshave. I have two of them. This is the smaller one, and it's just excellent for this job of removing high spots. Now, if you find when you're using it, you roughen up the wood, just use it in the opposite direction. It's really excellent for this. Now, I've kept a piece of one of the cut-offs from cutting the profile. This enables me to use this bench stop clamp arrangement, which is also excellent when you're trying to keep everything steady. Also for the other side, just remove that. Now we have two flat surfaces here and here, so we don't have the same problem on this side. Just adjust this. A nice firm surface to land on, and then it's just excellent for removing the high spots in preparation for the next step. Now, I could use the bigger one, but I prefer using this one. It really works well. Now, there's four steps in this. Is the shaping using the Spokeshave, then kind of unconventional, but I don't care about that, is I put the belt sander in the vise, and you've got this curved part here, which is absolutely excellent for getting into the little nooks and crannies of this, and that's just a rough cut. Then after that, I use the Orbital sander to, take it down a wee bit further. And then finally I finish off by hand.